love it. Alam niyo po na tayo ay alam ko na gutom na kayo. Tama ba? May kanon ba?
Medyo meron.
Okay. Ano na ako ng konti? Make sure lang ako ng konti. Alam niyo ba na before you were born, you are destined for greatness? Bago kayo pinanganak, ano mong plano para sa'yo? Mula lang sa'yo. Nagtataka ako kung bakit yung utak natin na-contaminate yung demonyo. Totoo yun. I hate to be blunt. So it's the demonic oppression in your thoughts na hindi kaya yaman. The truth is, to have no money is the root of all evil. Bakit mo magnanakaw? Bakit mo nag-delay ka ng drugs? Pera. Pinlano tayo, to be blessed. Kaya, kahit ano man ang reliyon mo ngayon, kung pinasa mo ang Genesis to Revelation, wala anak ng Diyos naghihirap ko. Wala naghihirap. Totoo yan. Lahat ng description doon, very wealthy. Solomon, the richest man ever told, kahit si Bill Gates, hindi kaya tapatan. Kahit si Elon Musk, hindi kaya tapatan. Hindi na kaya tapatan yun. Kaya kapag pinless ka, He will bless you. Exponentially. Kaya ako, ang tanong ko ngayon is this, handa ba tayo imaman? Kasi ang pagyaman pinaghandaan. Marami sa atin, mababa yung barometer. Siguro yung barometer mo, 50,000 a month lang, okay na. Increase your barometer. Kaya maraming mga lotto winner. Taxi driver, nanalo ng 50 million. After a few months, nulugi na, yung utang pa. Bakit? Ang mindset niya pang 500. Tapos siyang yumaman actually. Anong gagawin niya? Uubusin niya yan. We are nothing but stewards in this world. Kada ingat yaman po tayo. At binanggit pa nga doon na I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you. Kaya kung ikaw ay naghihirap ngayon, ask yourself, baka may kulang, baka yung birthright mo, hindi mo talaga inangkin. Okay? Baka hindi mo inangkin yung birthright mo. Because your birthright is to be successful, not only in one generation, but to the fourth generation. Kaya sila Henry C., kilala ng apo niya sa tuhod. Bakit? Panahon kita, ma'am. Kilala mo lolo mo. Of course, right? Yung lolo mo. Hindi mo kilala. Yung lolo mo.
Hindi.
Nakulabo, kilala mo, right? Nauna pa sa lolo mo yun. May legacy. Kaya pag walang legacy, hindi ka maalala. Itong worse. Pag lolo ka na, wala kang pera, tumawag ka sa apo mo, binapo mo, wala ako dito. No, wala ka. Bakit? Alam na apo mo, hihingi ka. Pero pag ang lolo may pera, isang tawag lang yan. No, kailangan darating, mag-prepare kami ng pagkain sa'yo. Bakit ang inabangan ng mana? Good father leaves inheritance to his children's children. Not just in one generation. Mamaya ako sa old Chinese na mayaman, sabi niya, kayo mga Pinoy, putol ulo pag nagkatay ng manok. Kami kasama ulo, kasama business. They continue. Tayo sanay tayo sa 5-minute thing. After that, see that? They apply the law of persistence. So dito, if we apply the law of persistence, naniniwala ako, we all gonna be successful. Totoo yan. We will succeed. Okay? Hindi lang financially, but emotionally, mentally, spiritually. Bakit po? Maraming mayayaman na pakamatay ngayon. Guarantee bang yaman? Hindi rin.
Emotional.
Do you think, pag mayaman ka, maproteksyonan mo yung marriage mo pag wala kang faith? Look at Bill Gates. Mayaman yun. Pero hiniwalayan ng asawa. Bakit? Micro na, soft up. Loading yata kayo, loading. Loading kayo, ha? I mean, hindi mo kayang, money alone will not give you security. Kasi kung ang kayamanan ang bibigay ng security, bakit ang mayayaman kataas ng mga pader? Rigwardiya pa. Pero if you do the will of God, hindi na nakatakaw. Mawalan naman, okay lang. Babalik ulit yan. At hindi sa lahat, if you are healthy. Believe it or not, gusto ko na share sa inyo itong experience. Uno Premier. I'm one of the top earners. Gamit ko ibang pangalan that time kasi I was with other company. Baka ma-terminate. When I bought my Explorer worth 3.7 million, I was driving to the hospital. Heavily breathing. Yung hirap na hirap ako huminga. May pala meron akong enlargement of the heart. Isa lang na-realize ko, what's the use of these material things? Pag ikaw ay nasa baling na karamdaman. That very same day, I was confined to the hospital. Otherwise, matagal na po akong inspired. Being here alone, you are already successful.
Yes.
Right? The air you breathe, you are successful. The opportunity we have, the idea, you are successful. Your health, successful ka. Sabi nga ni Jack Ma, if you survive pandemic, you are successful. Ngayon, ang tanong, nakasurvive tayo, right? What's next? It's time to thrive. Kaya hindi ako naniniwala sa dream, believe, and survive. You are not here to survive. You are here to thrive. Wala ba kayo mahamay dyan?
Yes.
Dream, believe, and thrive. Hindi survive. You are not in a survival mode. Galing na tayo yan before eh. Alam niyo, gusto mo mabas ng bayo na hindi na nakalabas na kapera. Gusto mo bumili ng gamit yung mabili. Or pag wala kang trabaho na kapera, you are in a survival mode. Pero pag yung pera na nagtatrabaho sa'yo, if money is working for you, you are successful. Pero dito sa Socor, significant. Ano yung sobrang yaman mo na? Wala ka rin magagawin eh, hindi mo donate.
Yes.
Giving is the highest form of living. This time, magbibigay na tayo. Ang dami natin pwede tulungan. Mahal sa buhay, bakit po? Bawat pamilyang Pilipino, there's always one breadwinner. The rest are what? Bread eater. Pag wala ng trabaho ang breadwinner, wala ka sa breadwinner, patay, gutom. Ito nakakalungkot. Ang daming mahal natin sa buhay sa ibang bansa. I'm a product of OFW. My father was a ship captain. Every port, every place, every harbor, he will throw his anchor. Pero nawala siya. What happened to us? Disbanded. So I grew up in a broken family. Ang daming broken family sa Pilipinas. Maring ikaw ay lumaki sa broken family. Maring ikaw ay nangarap mga abroad. Iwanan yung mga anak mo. Tumaas ang juvenile delinquency sa Pilipinas because more than 10 million OFWs babae majority. Nanay, it's time to bring them back home and do the business together. Right? Kasi family is the basic unit of society. Kaya nga, father and mother, I love you. Yun ang ibig ng family. No? E paano pag walang pera? Abroad. This time, dapat wala kang pera. Negosyo. Simon Cowell, familiar? Yung sa British Got Talent. He's a Jew. British Jew. Ang Jewish people, pag mahirap sa buhay, they think of business. Tayo, pag hirap sa buhay, we think of going abroad or to work. But the Jewish people, pag hirap sa buhay, they think of business. They think of ideas. And that ideas will multiply. And that will generate more money. Now, nabuo ito, idea. And we are all here. It's a collective effort. Grabe ito. It will create exponential growth. At hindi lang yan. Again, sabi ko, faith-based. We don't talk religion. Faith-based lang po tayo. Taasan mo yung pananampalataya mo na ma-achieve mo yung gusto mo ma-achieve. And I'm sure right now, marami kang pangarap sa mga anak mo. Maybe you want to send them to the schools. Right? Maybe you want to travel. Sarap bumiyahe. Come on. Sarap bumiyahe. Sarap sumakay sa aeroplano na ikaw ay nasa business mo. Life is meant to be enjoyed. Hindi tayo para ng tira. Alright? So, andyan na yung food? So, yes! Kumpiyansa siya. So is the moral of the story. Slow but persistent. Marami sa atin maraming mabagal pero consistent. Magiging top earner na yan. But there's second chapter of the story. Ano yung second chapter ng story? Naghabulan sila ulit. This time, nauna si Robin. Minamin ang layo di pa mo. So what is the moral of the story? Fast is efficient. But wait, there's more. There's third chapter of the story. The third chapter of the story goes like this. Nag-usap silang dalawa. The best way to beat both of our record, isakay mo ako. Sabi niya kay Rabbit. So that we could run fast. Pagdating naman sa riverbank, ako naman isakay mo because si Pago ang bigyan. So what is the moral of the story? The power of collaboration. But wait, there's more. Nag-usap sila ulit. This time, they innovate themselves. Si Rabbit, naka-scuba gear. Si Pagong naka-skateboard. Innovation. If you will not innovate, you will evaporate. At ang ganda po ng vision ng company natin because we embrace technology. This is the best time to build your business. We have AI right now. We have social media platform. Ano yung pag ginamit natin lahat yun? Believe me, this is beyond border. Hindi na po sa Manila, hindi na po sa Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. All over the world. Yes! With the power of your fingertips. In fact, one of our friends, one of my common friend namin ito kumon, ang dito ngayon, she was able to dispense 100 million worth of products using social media platform. And she's with us. Wala ba kayong makamay dyan? Again, this is innovation. Kaya nga sabi ko, timing is everything. You are here for a reason. May dahilan. Alright? So, huwag ko na pong patagalin, no? Kasi, time is of the essence, no? At ang next speaker po natin ay napaka-jolly po ng tao. And he's also is a hospital bed.
Yes.
When I was in Burj Al Arab, Dubai, I remember, nagtanong ako doon nung nasa takto ko. Yung parang hugis ba ko, 500,000 or even 1 million ang bed yun after night. But you know what? Akala ko yun ang pinakamahal. The most expensive bed in the world, hospital bed. I've been there. Ako po in hospital sa civil doctors. I work so hard tayo mga networker kasi hatag yan ang hatag. Pawiran. Alam mo sa Bisaya, may kasabihan kami, 1.2, ay panood to. Kumita lang ng 1.2, pero naubos. So, wala na pang lunch. 1.3, wala na pang meeting. They brag about making millions, pero ang ending na wala. Why? Because we work so hard to gain wealth, only to lose our health. Now you lose your wealth to gain back your health. Bakit po? Napakamahal ng gamot. The good thing, we have healthy products, we have this, you know, may mga collagen. You know, when I was in Davao, yung kaibigan mo sabi niya, Bisaya kasi, meron ka pang collagen. Wala akong collagen. Yung collagen ba? Yung pala collagen. Akala ko cola at saka yung gin. Just kidding. Anyways, again, we are here dahil meron tayong Filipinos are service-oriented. And we know for a fact na that's our core values, right? Yun talaga ang core values natin. Anak, go to school, get good grades, and get a good job. Narilingan natin yan. Paulo, alam mo na yan. Yes, totoo. But I need to remind you, kailan bang neighbor mo na transform ang buhay? No? Dahil nabigyan mo siya ng, na-inject mo sa kanya yung entrepreneurial mindset. Imagine, 80% Filipino service-oriented. Go to Hong Kong, and you will see 6 million population. Pero ang yaman ng Hong Kong, why? They are entrepreneurs, they are business people. Sinong katulong? 180,000 Filipino working as domestic helper. Yan ang babaguhin natin. Kaya nga sabi ko kay Chairman, alam mo, hindi lang Pilipinas to. We will tap the whole world. Maraming mga US company are taking advantage of our country. Why? Because we have more than 10 million OFWs abroad. They took advantage of us. Alam nila na pag pumasok ng Pilipinas, ano na yan? It will spread all over the world. Bakit? Kaysa ang sulok ng mundo may Pinoy.
Yes.
Kahit sa Kathmandu, Nepal, may Pinoy. Could you imagine that? Babaguhin natin yan. Okay? We are here because we want to inculcate yung tinatawag na entrepreneurial mindset. I learned this from mentor Ann, sabi niya, netrepreneur. Okay? How good is that? Netrepreneur. Kasi pwede mo gamitin ang technology, right? Sabi nga ni Bill Gates, if your business is not in the internet, you're out of business. Lahat ngayon, nasa internet na. Di ba? Because of one word, system. Maraming pinatay dahil sa system. Hotels. Alam niyo ba na pumatay yan, Airbnb? The biggest hotel chain in the world, but they don't own a single hotel. What else? Uber. Yan ang pumatay. The biggest transportation company in the world, but they don't own a single cab. Anong ginamit nila? System. Amazon. The biggest merchandising company in the world, but they don't own a single merchandise. System. Yung system natin, pinakaganda natin. In fact, we innovate. Kaya nga, di ba, we have young CEO, okay? We have visionaries. We have chairman who is also a successful, a businessman. Doon tayo eh, no? We are building a community of entrepreneurs, businessmen and businesswomen. Why? That's the only way we can turn Philippines upside down. Nothing more, nothing less. Alright, so this time, pag-usapan natin yung opportunity. I'm sure andito tayo dahil sa opportunity, right? But remember, meron tayong mission, di ba? Huwag naman yung pagkakita ka ng kliyente, dahil pera ito. Ay, isipin mo, paano kung bago yung buhay ng tao? Create value first. Because once you create value to people, you attract more people to come.
Yes.
Bakit si Doc Paul ngayon dinudumog ng mga tao? In fact, maraming coming. Sige ba, hindi na siguro nakapag, book ng flight or whatever. But you know what? Pag ikaw ay may napatunayan na sa industriya, you are no longer the headhunter. You are the hunted. Agree?
Yes.
That's what we call attraction marketing. Sila maghahanap sa'yo. Gusto ko magpadang din sa'yo, di ba? How good is that? Hindi kaya kunin mo na yung paying ko. Mamaya ka na, bukas ka na lang. Hindi, kunin mo na. Yeah? Why? Because you created value to people. And the more you create value to people, the more you attract. Ano na mas maganda? Headhunter or hunted? Mas maganda yung hunted, right? Kasi dinudumog ka ng mga tao. You attract people. Okay? Again, itong VP natin ay, isa po ito sa mga living legends and we've been successful also in network marketing. Kasi po ating kasalukuyan VP for network and development. So siya po ang magbigay sa atin ng bird's eye view when it comes to compensation plan.
Yes.
No further ado, VP Alan.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, thank you, Sir Paolo. Okay.
Yan. Kompleto na pala eh. May presentation eh.
I'm Alan Borrego po, no? Okay, kamusta po kayo? Naantok pa? Naantok na, hindi ba?
Mapalang,
Nakakatindig balahibo.
Very much, no? Very motivating. At sabi niya ni yung author ng Awaken the Giant Within, Tony Robbins. I don't believe in motivation. I only believe in strategy. Doc Mon is a strategist. At ang strategy na yan, pag in-apply natin, nagka-resulta tayo, what will happen? You are motivated automatically. Tama? Marami dito, motivational speaker, money magnet, di ba? Magnetin na yung pera mo, tapos wala na.
Mani mag John Caleb.
Oo lang ako pinapakit yung pangalan. Ito, strategy. Strategy. Kaya nga, ako, although I'm a motivational speaker, but I believe in strategy. Which, yun ang sinabi ni Anthony Robbins. I don't believe in strategy. You can be as, I don't believe in motivation. You can be as motivated as you want. Pero, if I will teach you the right strategy, that will compel you. Ang ginawa sa atin, ang vision ni Doc Mon, ayan ang strategy, susundan na natin. Diba? Sino nakakilala kay Rosemar? Sabon ang binibenta. You know, magkano pinakita in one day? 15 million.
Every day.
Nung in-interview siya ni Tony Rosales, nabiyaya siya.
Nabiyaya ako.
Sinabi eh.
Alam niyo, the biggest wealth transfer is happening now because of social media, because of technology.
Yes.
Gone are the days, may kausap ka, nagasto ng 500, pakapihin mo, pakabunaran mo pa. Ngayon, 500 pesos using social media platform, boosting ka sa Facebook. Tapos, 6,000 people can watch your advertisement. May magtatawag ng habit sila. Cost efficient. That is why, no wonder, sabon ang binibenta, 15 million sales in one day. At may nakapag-break pa ng record, lalaki, 27 million in one day. China products ang binibenta niya. Remember, God created the world. The rest is made in China. 27 million in one day. Di ba? So again, I'm excited. Ako mismo, no? Being part of the management team, na-excite ako to see you bloom and, you know, at saka baguhin natin yung culture dito. Tapos na yung mga 1 milyon, tapos na yan. We cannot tap the professionals.
Totoo.
The only way to tap the professionals is we will do this business professionally. And we are here to guide you. Okay? So again, this point in time, pinaka-highlight sa lahat. Okay? Yung kingmaker natin. Wala iba ko na si Chairman.
Yes.
Chairman, pati sa God-fearing man. Okay? Siya na rin po magbigay ng background niya. Tumayo po tayo lahat. Chairman! Ready! Take it!
Maraming salamat sa ating at sa inyo lahat. Kung si Doc Mon ay may comeback after setback, ako din ay nakaset to forward. Good! Solo. Ako po ay hindi ako networker. Traditional na businessman. Mula sa aking pagkabata, talagang nangarap akong yumaman. Pero ang hirap hanapin mo niya. Ngayon, sa comeback ni Doc, nararamdaman mo bang yumayaman kayo?
Yes. Ramdam na ramdam.
So, yayaman tayo. Sa pag-comeback niya, sigurado, ma-picture out nyo ngayon yung buhay nyo after 2 years. Base doon sa ating
Blueprint.
roadmap. Naramdaman mo sa yayaman. Kasi ang super, naka-design yan, tumulong. Tutulungan tayo lalo na yung mga nahihirapan, lalo na yung mga may trouble sa buhay, yung mga distress. Yun ang support na nabuo itong word na support para tumulong. At sa kumpanya nito namin binubuo, tina-target talaga namin na kayo ay kikita. Kaya ko ba? Dahil kung hindi kayo kikita, ang kumpanya ay hindi din kikita. So dahil hindi kikita ang kumpanya, hindi tayo makita.
Kita.
So ito talaga yung target namin na kayo ay kikita. Sabi nga ni Doc Mon, bibihisan. So, paano ka bibihisan pag wala kang yaman?
Yes.
Hindi din pwedeng pasutan ka ng quote na ito na wala kang laman yung wallet mo. So, importante talaga may laman. Balanse. So, kami, andito ako na binivisualize ko na maraming mga yayaman sa kumpanya at hindi lang nagta-target kayo sa yaman. Kasi nabuo itong support na ito hindi lang sa tao na sa yayaman. Ang aming target, payamanin tayo financially at ang nais namin, sabi nga ni Doc, na itong kumpanya